Did you know that your hair can be moisturized, but it can be dehydrated? If you're wondering why your hair is not retaining moisture, then you need this video. What's up, Curlies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you the 5 best shampoos for hydration. Now, when we talk about hydration, this happens at a deeper level. This happens when we wash our hair with shampoo, as opposed to just a surface level. So when we moisturize our hair, that is just simply the top, that's the cut, that's the surface level of our hair. But when we remove all of that product and all of that buildup and we shampoo, we actually get into the hydrating part of our wash day. And I'm going to be giving you some suggestions for shampoos that are going to give you hydration and not dry your hair out. Now, these 5 shampoos are based on my personal experience. These are some that have really stood out to me over the years. My utmost favorite one I used recently, which is the Camille Rose Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo. If you haven't watched my review on this full line, you probably are going to want to watch it. This shampoo, if you are someone who struggles with dryness or tangles, this is going to be a godsend, because when I used it, literally, it was so easy to detangle when I shampoo. And I'm someone who really likes to detangle during the shampoo process, just to make it a little bit easier throughout the deep conditioner. And this product, hands down, one of the best shampoos I've ever used. So if we have a quick look at the ingredients list, we can see that it's got some really nice extracts: guava fruit extract, cacao, plum, avocado oil, graviola, whatever that is, extract, glycerin towards the bottom. Aside from the ingredients list, if you haven't tried it, I would recommend it, and you won't regret it, because this is fantastic if your hair's dry. I can't rave about it any more than I already have. Up next is one that I actually forgot about. I used this like way back in 2022 or something, but at the time I was doing like an ad for them, and I didn't actually realize like how amazing this shampoo is. So this is the Bounce Curl Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo. They've changed the packaging since I used it. It is top tier. It's more of like a creamy but very thin in consistency shampoo. It's not going to strip your hair at all. It's so moisturizing. It comes in at about £21, so a little bit on the steeper side. If I'm being honest, shampoos tend to last us curly girls, well, me anyway, the shampoos last me forever, because I don't wash my hair at the moment every single week, so they do last me quite a long time. And this one is going to be really nice if you have dry hair. If we take a look at the ingredients list, it has sunflower seed oil right near the very top, hydrolyzed quinoa, it's got olive oil extract, bergamot fruit oil, safflower oil, lots of these oils that are going to be really nice, especially if you have low porosity hair. I would recommend this product. The third hydrating shampoo I'm going to recommend is the Sacred Hydrating Shampoo. Sacred actually sent me the full package of products to try, and my favorite product was actually the shampoo from the whole range. It was just fantastic to use. Sacred products are on the more expensive side, however, they do go a long way, and they're, to me, I can only compare them to something that you would find in a salon. They're very potent, and a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use loads of it, which is a good job really, because they're on the pricier side. So in terms of the ingredients list, we've got bioactive keratin ferment, African oil blend, cationic hyaluronic acid, and phytocollagen complex. We've got things like honey, rice protein, glycerin, rosemary oil. Like, there's lots of good ingredients in this product. And what I liked about it is it will cleanse your hair without stripping, and it has got a really nice slip on it as well. So when I ran out of this, I was actually gutted, because it was, like I said, my favorite product out of their whole line. I did try the clarifying shampoo as well, and I liked it, however, not as much as the hydrating shampoo for me. This one retails for about £28, so a little bit more expensive than the Bounce Curl product. So if you are on a budget, then you're probably going to want to listen to the next products I'm going to mention, which is the Shea Moisture Deep Moisturizing Shampoo. And I feel like Shea Moisture, people are kind of like Not rating it as much anymore. And for me, like Shea Moisture, when I first went natural, they've always been like that girl. I was like a stan of Shea Moisture when I first started wearing my hair curly, and I still think their shampoos and their masks and conditioners are very, very good. Although they have changed the formulas slightly, I really rate the shampoos. Like, in my opinion, you can't get a better moisturizing shampoo for your money than the Shea Moisture lines. In terms of the ingredients list, we've got water, glycerin, sodium chloride, shea butter, argan oil, sea kelp extract, lots of really nice moisturizing ingredients. Like I said, if your hair is dry, if you're on a budget, you can pick this one up for about £10. The fifth and final product I'm going to mention is a bit of a niche one to the UK. I'm not sure if they actually sell in the US, but this is the Afrocenchix sulfate-free shampoo. Now, I was also gifted this line, and when I used it, I was pleasantly surprised because, first of all, they've not got an extensive ingredients list, and all of the products have this really nice like citrus smell, which I loved. And one thing about a shampoo is that if I know I can shampoo twice and it's not going to make my hair feel dry and I can still detangle really nicely, it's a win for me. So let's have a look at the ingredients list of this product. We've got aloe vera is the first ingredient. Coconut oil, grapeseed oil, lemon peel oil, orange peel oil, lemongrass oil, water is 1, 2, 3, 4. Water is actually the 7th ingredient, so this is how you know your hair's not going to be dry. And then we've got like more of the chemical-based ingredients. For the reason that all oils are kind of like front-loaded makes it a really nice shampoo, because as you know, oils will prevent moisture loss when it comes to curly hair, and they're really nice for detangling, they're really nice for smoothing the cuticle, adding shine. They've got lots of benefits, and the fact that this product has it all right at the very start just shows you a lot. Considering all of those factors, it's not actually that expensive. You can pick it up for £17.80, which is pretty reasonable in my opinion, because the ingredients definitely warrant the price. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any recommendations for hydrating shampoos, and I will see you in the next one.